All right, so it's our president, Brett. He hasn't seen the contents of this yet, and I'm going to air it literally after we go live tomorrow. So this is being recorded ahead of time. Not everybody got all the stuff that's in here. He's a president, so I had to give him some extra swag in here. But Brett, let's open this up, and I want people to see what they're going to get, and we're going to walk through. And actually, you know what? We're going to play this. We're going to play this live.
Right on.
Well,
first of all, I want to talk about these stickers, man. These things are super cool. I love, it's a hologram sticker, and not only do we have it in red, but look at that, triplet gold. Oh my God. I mean, these things are like really, I was like, they were laying on the table here, and I was like, man, those things look awesome. I'm thinking I'm going to put it on the back of my phone, matter of fact. That's a great place to put it. And then people ask me, what's that, right? Great conversation piece. But people love stickers, so I could see these going on.
These are waterproof, holographic. It's the top of the sticker you can go. But these are swag for us to promote our business.
And these are swag.
So even though it says urgent, not to open, Rory's finally letting me let a cat out of the bag.
I'm gonna let you open this one early. Well, we're gonna release this after they all.
Oh, well, that's the only reason I get it. All right, I'm like kind of like a kid at Christmas and everything.
We set everybody's with like multiple red stickers on the back. So there's some chipboard, keep everything kind of straight.
Love it. Love it.
So I gave you a bunch of stickers.
Nice. I'm going to be handing these out.
You are the president.
I'm going to be handing these out all weekend. Cool. Even at Disney, I'm going to stick these on people's foreheads.
Perfect.
And matter of fact, when they're walking around, I'm just going to put it on the back of people's clothes. And yeah, we have the W. Look at that. Amazing. Rory, spot on. I mean, folks, this company, you know, I love that quote by Victor Hugo, nothing can stop a time whose time has come, and Wine Ambassador's time has come. I mean, if I was out there looking for the perfect business, like management, product, process, marketing, you know, everything, this would be like the gem of the gem, because to me, we're only 2 years old.
Yep.
So there's not a lot of people that even know about us. You know, we've got a consumable product that people absolutely, the most common word I hear is delicious. Matter of fact, one of our top reps over here, Deanna, she got to enjoy the Rickard today, and
delicious. D-E-E. Delicious.
Oh, get that, folks? D-E-E. Deanna, D-E-E, delicious.
Everybody calls me D.
Oh, man. Hey, there's no coincidences around here. That's just God acting anonymously. And yeah, I'm so proud of our CEO. I mean, he came on board a little over a year ago with his wife, Tanya, and they have just made this company hum. And I mean it on all 8 cylinders. If this was a 12-cylinder car, it'd be all 12 cylinders. But really, I mean, the magic is the team. We have an amazing team. Teamwork makes the dream work, and I couldn't be more prouder than the people that are in my life. I mean, you guys are my friends, business partners, and
we got.
You know, it's funny. Like Rory and I could go like a week without talking. Do I like that? No. But the funny thing is, we like as soon as we get on the phone, like it's like. He's like, I did this, and that. And I was like, oh yeah, really? Well, I did this, and that. And like collectively, we just get so much done in such a seamless way. Like to me, I like that analogy. I feel like we're in roller skates and hot butter, right?
Yeah, it flies. Okay, this is just a sticker part. Everybody got a sheet of each. And I obviously said you brought you a bunch since, you know, we're in Utah, you're in Florida. But I want you to go to the next section. This is killing me.
I didn't even know there was another section.
Yeah, so this is just a swag. Everybody got a set of stickers.
Teasing me.
And then there's some more stickers. I just packed it in there, and then I gave you some of the still ones that we use on the shirts.
I love that.
Those are cool.
They are money.
Yes. I love that.
They're like gold coins.
I like that it's raised too. Check
we
it's like a raised foil. These are going on people's hoodies at Disney. Rain jackets because it's supposed to rain here this weekend.
I think we'll be fine. Okay, so move the red ones over.
This is what I'm dying for you to see.
Okay, so we got 2. There's 2.
Yeah. There's 2 of them.
There's 2.
Okay.
So just do one at a time.
Okay. Show everybody what you got.
Oh. Nice.
So this is a rank achievement, right? So everybody that's attending our virtual,
Isn't that classic?
they got in by the 29th.
Love
You're
it.
all going to get one of these. And there's a way to unbox this and show this that you guys can get points too. So we're going to talk about that. So that's a certificate. And then
What do you think, Brent? You like it?
when we do
I
our
love
next year, when we have our event, we'll do it up. Whoever is upgraded, we'll give new certs at that point as well.
That's pretty.
I love
So, and I want everybody to here. I'm going to spell this out because we're going to have them do this. You're going to do your unboxings. We like social recognition, and we want you to be recognized. And because we couldn't get everybody here because of craziness, right? We want to do it over social media. So everybody's going to do an unboxing just like we did here, an unpacking of the packet, and you're going to get points for doing that. And then you're going to get points again to put that into a amazing, what's it called?
Frame?
Frame. There we go. A frame.
Frame. You planned it with a frame, but
And then we want you to put it up
We
in
hope
a,
you
in
love
a
it.
like above a mantle
So
or
you
in
take
your
the
office.
certificate out of this envelope and you put it in the frame.
Right, and that's going to be
And
another
honestly,
unboxing.
Also, you can frame this as well if you want to. because
Oh, I'm
these-
thinking a double frame. Maybe
These
like
are
you have that
gorgeous.
and that on top.
Right?
Yes.
I agree, Brent. Totally
That would
agree
look
with you.
sharp. super
So,
sharp.
and you'll get points for that too, but we want to show recognition, and that's something we can do, and we want to see it on your wall. And even if you're at a 1-star, I mean, this is about progress.
Brett's the top of the
Right?
line, but that's because he's president.
Yeah, we gave you, we put the executive on there because,
Brett's
you know,
the
well, we'll be going over those later. Now let's go ahead and open the other one, and this is something you and I are going to talk about pretty much after this video.
Oh, bam. I love it. Absolutely. I love it. Yep. So now when you're a Grand Cru, when you purchase the Grand Cru, boom.
Isn't that money?
Oh, it's
That is so
nice.
money.
And we're going to cover what this means. It's a commitment from the company to you as well when you become a Grand Crew member, and it comes with so much stuff that we're going to cover, Brett. So anyway,
You know, when we put that Grand Cru package together, my vision with that black card was to attach so many different perks. So as a black card founding member or black card holder, you know, you knew that meant something when you were able to say that you're a black card holder. So again, you know, just adding the validity to
So-
being a Grand Cru.
now we have a lot of people that are trying to get the Grand Cruise, and we know you guys are getting there. So I'll let a cat out of the bag now. Should we do it? It's going to be, I mean, they're going to watch this video later.
Black.
Oh,
Oh, snap. That's the black card right there, folks.
Boom.
When you're a Grand Cru member,
Look at
it's
that.
just a
that's Deanna's.
status.
And when we were first talking about this, and Brett, and this is when we were, you know, coming into Wine Ambassador. I'll flip this around. So we were talking about it, and he said, I have these black cards for these. I'm like, that is just the coolest thing ever. And we're about recognition anyway. You know, you work really hard to build something, and, you know, we're in the trenches together. We're all partnering in this, and we want to just have a lot of fun with those that actually showed up and did the work. And when we just started going on a mission, in the past year, we were able to build up some incredible things, and we're going to go over that live. So we'll go to that next. All right. See you guys in a second.